Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of filling in forms. I am repeating, today our topic is filling in form. Students, this is our 15th lecture and 13th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 15th lecture and 13th homework. Students, for today's class, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about fill in the forms 1, 2, and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, here is our question. First form. The question is, imagine you want to be a member of computer club. Now complete the form with necessary information. Here we have given you a form. You have to fill the informations. Okay, here look the name of the computer club. Smart Coders Computer Club, Bonusri, Rampura, Dhaka. Here you have to attach your photo. And here you have to give your information. That means you have to write the informations. First one, you have to write your name, because here you find student's name. Okay, here you can write your name, but now I'm writing my name. You know my name is Fatima Sabrin Shikha, so here I'm writing F-A-T-E-M-A, Fatima Sabrin Shikha, S-H-I-K-H-A, Shikha, Fatima Sabrin Shikha. I'm repeating, you have to write your own name or any name, because there is no name mentioned in the question, so you can write any kind of name, but remember that you have to write the full name, not nickname. You can't write Fatima or Shikha or Sabrin. You have to write a full name. Next, father's name. You have to write the name of your father, and if there is any information, any name of your father, then you have to mention that name. But as we didn't find any kind of name, we have to write name of father. So I'm writing here father's name, Muhammad Fazlur Rahman, R-H-M-A-N, Rahman Bhuiyan, B-H-U-I-Y-A-N. So my father's name is Muhammad Fazlur Rahman Bhuiyan. So here I have written my father's name, and you have to write your own father's name. Next, mother's name, and here you also have to write your mother's name, and I'm writing my mother's name, Mrs. Sharfur Nahar, C-R-F-U-R, Sharfur Nahar, N-A-H-E-R, Sharfur Nahar. Next, date of birth. So you have to write date of birth here. I'm not writing here my date of birth because this is for a student. So I'm teacher. I have completed my graduation and post-graduation. So I'm writing here a date of birth. We can write here 1st January. Okay, we can write here 2014. Okay, I have written here 1st January 2014, and you have to write your date of birth. Remember that you are a student, so you have to write as per a student's age. Now come to number 5, home address. You have to give here the address of your home. So here you can write any kind of address. 151 by 1, I'm writing here Bonusri, B-A-N-A-S-R-E, Bonusri, Rampura, Dhaka, D-H-A-K-A. Any kind of address you can write here. It doesn't matter that your address is allowed here or not. Any address you will mention here. Next, school's name. You have to write your school's name. So here we can mention the name of National Ideal English Version School. I'm writing here NATIONAL National Ideal VEAL Ideal English Version 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 School SCHOOL. I hope you can understand my handwriting. My handwriting isn't good, but I hope you can understand National Ideal English Version School. And remember that the name will be in capital letter, because this is the name of the school, so you have to write all this in capital letters. That means NIEVS. This will be in capital letters. Next, class. You have to write the class. Where do you read in? In which class do you read in? So you can write here class 3. Okay, you can write here 3, 4, 5, anyone, because we didn't find any mentioned class. But remember the date of birth. You have to write by matching the date and class. Number 8, hobbies. Here we can write various kind of hobbies. And what is your hobby, students? Here we can write gardening, reading, visiting, playing. Okay, so I'm writing here reading, READING, reading. And you can mention here gardening is your favorite hobby, or anything else. You can add anything else. Okay, next, date. You have to write here a date. So I'm writing today's date 21st. Okay, any date. You can mention here any date, and at the last you have to put your signature. I'm putting here my signature. So you have to put your signature here according to the name. As you write the name here, you have to give the signature of that name. Now students, will do number 2. We have to fill this form. First, we have to read the question carefully. The question is, suppose you are Muqtadir Ahmed. Your father's name is Mahbub Ahmed. Mother's name is Arifa Ahmed. Your date of birth is 27 August 2012. You want to be a member of a swimming club. Now complete the form with necessary information. Okay, here we find specific name, specific father's and mother's name. Students, come to number 1. Have you find any specific name here? No, we didn't find any specific name here. So we have to write the given names. So you have to think that you are Muqtadir Ahmed, your father's name is Mahbub Ahmed, and mother's name is Arifa Ahmed. So we find swimming club of National Ideal English Version School, Rampura, Bonasri, Dhaka. And here you have to put your photo. And you have to write your name. So what will be your name here? Can I write Fatima Sabrin Shikha? Students, can you guess? I can write my name here? No, I can't write my name here because in the question we find the specific name, that is Muqtadir Ahmed, and we have to write this name. So I'm writing here Muqtadir Ahmed, T-A-D-I-R, Muqtadir Ahmed. Okay. This time you need to be careful while writing the name, father's name, address, anything. And father's name will be the given name Mahbub Ahmed. M-A-H-B-U-B. Mahbub, A-H-M-E-D. Mahbub Ahmed. Mother's name, this is also given, Arifa Ahmed. So you have to write here Arifa Ahmed, A-R-I-F-A, Arifa, A-H-M-E-D, Arifa Ahmed. So all are given. So you'll just pick the names and will write in the gap. Next, date of birth. So here this also given, 27th August 2012. So we have to write 27 and we can't write August. We have to write in number. So it will be 8 and then 2012. Here the date is given, but we can write like this. Always remember that date will be written like this in the form. So now come to number 5, home address. Here we find no specific home address. So we can write any home address here. We can write 253 by E. Here we can write E Road. Road number 1, Bonusri. Bonusri, Dhaka. H-A-K-A, Dhaka. 253 by E, road number 1, Bonusri, Dhaka. Next, school's name. Again, you have to write the school's name because it's specified, National Ideal English Version School. So we have to write the name, National Ideal English Version School. Is C-H-O-O-L, National Ideal English Version School. Next, class. Class, same, you can write 3 or 4. Okay, I'm writing here 3. T-H-R-W-A, 3. Class 3. And hobbies, again we can write any kind of hobbies, and you can write your favorite hobby. You can write here swimming. Okay, I'm writing here gardening. G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G, gardening. And also you have to mention the date. So I'm writing here again the same date, that means student's date, 21st October 2000, September 2020. And again at the end we have to put our signature. Students, come to number 1. Can I put this signature here? No, we can't put this signature here because here we are specified. That means we have to act like Muqtadir. So we have to give the signature of Muqtadir. We can write Muqtadir. Okay, so specific name and specific signature. Students, I hope you have understood the topic and I have given you homework. Your homework will be filling in form 1. I'm repeating, your homework will be filling in form 1. And don't forget to write the lecture number with homework number and submission date. Our lecture number is 15 and homework number is 13. And submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again till then. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.